So I just thought I would show you how to quickly update an Axiom. So if you hit Settings, and then on the first General Settings Getting Started tab, you press Update Software, and then you can do it from either checking online or check the SD card. So if you're going to do it from the SD card, obviously you've either got to get into the back of the machine, or you've got to have the optional Raymarine extender which puts the SD card on the side. So we don't have that, so our only option really is to check online. So check online. Have to obviously check that it's connected to something. So if it isn't, you go into Wi-Fi settings, which we'll just do, and you can see you've got a couple of options there for Wi-Fi settings, and this is very Android-like, this screen, because the operating system is Android underneath. So it's already connected to Chris's phone. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to press start, and it's going to go online, and it's going to check for updates. And it has actually got two. It's got one for itself, and it's also got one for the C-Talk converter, which is under here, and that's obviously allows these instruments to talk to this, and that's how it converts it. So what we'll do is we'll select both of them, and we'll press update selected. It's gone off now. It's got about 900 megs to get, so shouldn't be too long on 5G. And it's going to download that, and then once it's complete, it's going to install them. So within a couple of minutes, it's downloaded the updates, and it's about to install them. And now it starts the installation process. Now it's rebooting. And it's back. Updates to the Raymarine Lighthouse Charts are all handled in the Raymarine app. Head to the App Store and download this Raymarine app to get started. Once you're in the Raymarine app, you need to go to the Management tab, and here you can see the charts. If you've got an active chart subscription, premium charts in this case, you're able to update the charts directly from the store. The process is a little bit confusing. You have to download the entire chart pack again and then transfer it to the internal memory, which takes a long time to complete. This process could definitely be improved. Also note you must remain near to the Axiom during the transfer, and the app must remain open for the entire time.